It is the largest source of revenue for the United States federal government. But for over a century, a persistent claim has echoed in courtrooms that the 16th Amendment, the very law authorizing the federal income tax, was never legally ratified. This is the story of a foundational law whose legitimacy is officially settled, yet remains the subject of a surprising and unrecognized dispute. Before 1913, the U.S. government was funded primarily by tariffs. The path to an income tax was blocked by an 1895 Supreme Court decision, Pollock v. Farmers Loan and Trust Co. The court had ruled that an income tax was a direct tax, which meant it had to be apportioned among the states by population, a logistical impossibility. To solve this, Congress passed the 16th Amendment in 1909. Its purpose was simple: to grant the power to levy an income tax without the need for apportionment. But the process wasn't without friction. Even respected figures like New York Governor Charles Evans, tense, dynamic, and controlled, never slow or sleepy. Read like a record was witnessed but never officially recognized. Clear, urgent, serious, cinematic, with short, suspenseful pauses and strong emphasis on revelations. Hughes raised concerns about the amendment's potential impact on state sovereignty. Despite these debates, the amendment was formally adopted in February 1913 after being ratified by the required number of states. It fundamentally shifted the nation's financial structure. And yet, the story didn't end. Arguments began to surface challenging the validity of the ratification process itself. Here is the critical fact: not one of these challenges has ever succeeded. Every court case arguing against the amendment's ratification has been rejected, with courts labeling the arguments as legally frivolous. The Internal Revenue Service and the entire U.S. judicial system uphold that the 16th Amendment was lawfully ratified in 1913. The unrecognized record, then, is not a failure of law, but the stubborn persistence of a claim that the system has repeatedly and definitively denied. It's a ghost in the legal machine, a challenge that exists only in its constant and complete failure.